Ninja Chef, Japanese home cooking channel. Hi, today I'm gonna introduce you how to create Japanese ramen even at home. Basically, it takes a lot of time to extract the fish broth, but I can show you a very easy way. It's gonna be only 30 minutes cooking. These ingredients make our cooking easier. Especially, this mackerel can is essential. It was already simmered enough. That's why we can save our time. Step 1. Creating a ramen soup. And first thing first, chopping the onion. And then slicing the garlic. To create soup, putting all ingredients into a pan and simmering on the medium heat. Sliced garlics add the flavor to the soup. Chopped onion and the ginger can help to remove the fishy smell. Putting mackerel can, all contents of inside. Stirring the soup and crushing the fish moderately. And simmering for 20 minutes. Now you can see the soup becomes clarified. That means the soup is get ready. Step 2. Preparing the toppings while boiling noodles. Now slicing the chicken ham. To make the soup more salty, putting soy sauce ahead of the soup. Pouring fish broth soup with filtering. Do not put fish meat into the soup. Finally, putting noodles and all toppings you prepared. I would say egg and seaweed and the chicken ham go with this ramen noodles. If you can get the Chinese noodle, why not try it? Thank you for watching this video. This channel will show you Japanese home cooking culture in a simple and easy and fun way. What are you waiting for? Please subscribe this channel. See you soon!